new here, welcome. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do my wash and go routine. So this is what I do when I'm not doing any protective styles and stuff like that. And yeah, I'll be giving you guys tips and tricks that I do just to get my hair this big on the second day. This is not as big as it gets, but this is my hair on the second day, because you know when you wash your hair, it shrinks in and it does the most. So just showing you guys that and the products that I use as well. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment any other videos you guys may want to see. So yeah, let's just hop right in. So I just want to show you guys, before I do my wash and go, I normally like wash my hair, make sure my hair is clean. Sometimes, or most of the times, you do want your hair to like be clean. So I'm doing the Itz.Joana clay mask right now. Is in the drying process. I already filmed this video to show you guys how I do it and you know the benefits and all that. So yeah, you could check my YouTube channel for that. I'm just here to show you guys that I did put a mask, a bentonite clay mask in my hair, just so it can define my hair, define my curls. Just show you guys how it looks like. And yeah, after that I'll be washing my hair and I'll show you guys how I do my wash. Alright you guys, so this is my freshly washed hair. I split it in the middle just because I wanted a middle part wash and go. So yeah, I have 3 sections, one big one in the back and 2 in the front. So I'm gonna start off with the back section just because it's the biggest section. I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner. The link will be in the description box down below if you want that. So yeah, I'm basically going to moisturize my hair and then detangle it. Alright you guys, so I'm going to split that section in 2, and it don't need to be perfect because I'm eventually going to put them back together, but just so I can work in sections and so that it could be easier for me, I'm going to put that half away and then I'm going to do that part. So I didn't show you guys that side of my hair. I'm going to show you guys the other side when I'm done with this side. Alright you guys, this is where I wanted you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to detangle my hair. You can use a diamond brush or any detangling brush you have, just so it'll be easier to run your fingers through your hair and easy enough to put products in it, you know. So as you can see, I'm taking my time to detangle my hair because I really want it to be detangled enough. So I'm gonna split that section into tiny enough sections just so it'll be easier to work with. I'm gonna spray my hair with some water. This is only water in the spray bottle. I'm gonna add in some leave-in conditioner just because that part didn't have any. And then I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styling gel. I use the green bucket. So yeah, I'm gonna do the raking motion. When I do the raking motion, I normally just, you know, rake my hair through my fingers, and then at the end I twirl my hair around my fingers, if that makes sense. You guys can see what I'm doing, but yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, just to get a more curly definition at the end, I twirl my hair on my fingertips. So yeah, that's basically it. Just add your water, put your leave-in conditioner in each section if you want to, and then put your gel and rake your hands through your hair, or you could do the twirling. There's different methods. You can do the praying method, the raking method, and the method where you twirl your hair around your fingers. So yeah, there's a lot to it. Just make sure your hair is detangled and yeah, you'll be good to go.
I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me from my heart, all you're gonna get is blood or scars.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love up beside of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
Alright you guys, so this is how my hair ended up looking. I'm really happy with the results. So I just wanted to show you guys how I blow dry my hair. I do blow dry my hair on warm heat or just cool air. So the method I do is I point downwards when I'm blow drying my hair. I do point like towards my roots, but downwards is the best way to blow dry it, just because it doesn't shrink in your hair. So you guys are gonna see I go into my scalp with the blow dryer, but I do end up going downwards with it as well.
So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead.
Alright you guys, so this is my hair like 80% dry. What I usually do if I'm not going anywhere, I split my hair into 4 sections and I blow dry my roots just a little more so that it could be dry. I don't want to sleep with wet hair anyway. So I'm gonna blow dry that, and then I'm going to take my ultra scrunchie and kind of like tie my hair. I'm not gonna tie it too tight just because my hair is not completely dry. But when my hair is completely dry, I usually just put like 3 or 4 ultraless scrunchies on there. So as you can see, I'm just putting it on there with no effort, and that is going to stretch my hair overnight so that on the second day my hair can look a little bit more stretched and not flat. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I have a satin pillowcase, so I don't usually tie my hair. So if you have a bonnet, a satin pillowcase, or a hair tie that's not gonna break your hair, you're good to go.
More than just a pretty face, so girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love up beside of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter.
Alright you guys, so this is exactly the next day. I'm just going to show you guys the oil that I'm using just to moisturize my scalp and to stimulate growth. So I'm going to put that oil in the 4 sections that I parted, and then I'm going to take my hair down and blow dry the roots again. Just, you don't need to put too much heat in it. You can literally just use cool air or warm air, and yeah, that's basically it.
Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love if it's hotter than fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is
If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment down below video ideas you guys may want to see. And yeah, see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye guys.